welcome to my channel. So in the today's lecture, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of file allocation. Okay, so when you open your computer, you see many number of files and folders on your computer. Okay, we have many number of files or folders in your computer. Okay, but in actually all of that files and folders that you see on your computer, on your desktop, all of that files and folders are actually stored in the hard disk. Okay, all of that files and folders are actually stored in the hard disk. Okay, each and every file like MS Word, MS Excel, all of that files are actually stored in the hard disk. Okay, and each and every file is stored in the hard disk in the form of binary form, in the form of zeros and ones. Okay, so that is the purpose of actually operating system. It is very difficult to deal with the hardware. In your hardware, each and everything is present in the form of zeros and ones. But as a human, we find binary language to be very difficult. We cannot understand easily binary language like zeros and ones. Okay, so that's why we are using operating system. It is providing you a good graphical user interface to interact with your hardware. Okay, each and every file that is stored in the hard disk, we can see all of that files on your desktop in the form of folders or in the files. Okay, if you have to access some file, if you want to open some file, what you do? You do double click. Okay, we do double click, or we click on open, or we use open command to open any file. Then what happens? We are accessing that files from the hard disk. Okay, we load that file from hard disk to main memory. Then your CPU is going to execute that file. Okay, so what is the meaning of file allocation? So operating system is really going to help us to interact with the hardware. So what is the meaning of file allocation? File allocation means we have to store lots of files. Okay, lots of files in the hard disk. So how to arrange and how to store multiple number of files in the hard disk so that we can access any file very faster from the hard disk. That is actually the file allocation. Okay, how to store multiple number of files in your hard disk. Let's suppose you have opened MS Word file. Okay, you have opened MS Word file and you are typing some document in MS Word file. So now you are clicking on the save button to permanently store this document in the hard disk. Okay. number of processes in the main memory. Now we are focusing on the hard disk. Now we are focusing on how to save multiple number of files in the hard disk. And if your user want to open some file by double clicking on that file, how to fetch that files from the hard disk. Okay, and how we will get to know that where that file is stored in the hard disk. So that is basically a file allocation. We are discussing various ways in which we can store our file into the hard disk. Okay, we will discuss contiguous file allocation method. We will discuss linked list allocation method, and we will also discuss one indexed file allocation method. Okay, so in the upcoming videos, I will be discussing all these three methods one by one. We are discussing different ways in which we can store our files in the hard disk and how we can access our file from the hard disk. Okay, so if you have any query, I have mentioned my email ID in the description box. You can contact me on that email ID. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.